Hello, I'm Shraddha from Hindustan Times. We are right now at Delhi University North Campus, where the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad and Delhi University Students Union have taken out a march in what they call is a march against anti-nationals and against the row of events which happened at Ramjas College on the February 21st and February 22nd, raising slogans of Bharat Mata Ki Jai and saying that those who betray our country, we will not spare them. Students are shouting slogans. We have one of the ABVP activists with us. Can you tell me why you've come and gathered here, and from where have students come?
So basically everybody knows about the incident that took place in the campus, and there were various anti-national slogans which were raised by the leftist organization in our campus, and they think that the student of Delhi University is so unaware and so innocent that they'll keep quiet and they'll not raise a voice against the anti-national elements in our university. So this is a march which we have named as Save DU March, and it is a march to raise the spirit of nationalism inside the university.
Okay, thank you. So as you can see, they are also calling the march as Save DU. On Tuesday there was a march which was organized by the different students organization, the left-leaning students organization, and with so large participation from students of different colleges, where they said that we are against the violence which ABVP allegedly indulged on the February 22nd, and so today on the Thursday, the ABVP along with DUSU, which is dominated by the ABVP, have organized this rally, and they have started from the arts faculty and came to Vishwavidyalaya metro station. Right now we are in front of Ramjas College, where the entire episode happened. To give you a quick recap of what happened at Ramjas on February 21st, there was a literary event which was organized where Umar Khalid, a JNU scholar, was invited to speak on the seminar titled Cultures of Protest. The student union of the college, which is again led by ABVP, had protests for the invitation given to Khalid. So they asked for the cancellation. So his invitation was cancelled. So the students of Ramjas College said that it was a clear curtailment of their freedom of speech and expression, and they held a protest march where the ABVP alleges that anti-national slogans were raised. By anti-national slogans they mean Kashmir ki azadi and Bastar ki azadi. And again on the February 22nd, the students of Ramjas College had staged a protest where violence erupted, where students, teachers were beaten up. So after this, the culture of protest and protest against the curtailment of freedom of speech and expression and protest against anti-nationals have continued for a very long time now. And we have few there are students from different colleges like the Vivekananda College, Venkateshwara College, SRCC, Dayal Singh College, which have turned, and also along with them there are a lot of students, there are activists of the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad who've come from different parts of the city and are saying that they are here to protest against the anti-national activities which has happened in DU. So we have our ABVP activist with us. So we just want to know why this march.
Why this march is because in Ramjas College on 20 February the anti-national slogans were raised. Anti-national slogans like Kashmir मांगे आज़ादी, बस्तर मांगे आज़ादी. This type of slogans were raised, which were where the Ramjas College Union and the Delhi University Student Union protested against them. But they protested and they were.
So what do you have to say about the violence in which ABVP has been accused of? Saying that ABVP did the violence.
is not actually correct that ABVP did any violence. They were violence started from them. ABVP for the defense started to counter them. On the Ramjas College outside there were the many GNU student, Jamia student who protested and thrown stones. With the student for the among the Ramjas student college union asked help from the Delhi Union.
Okay. So as you can say, the ABVP says that they were not the ones who indulged in violence and they are being, wrongly framed for whatever's happened. So we have few students here. आप कहाँ से आए हो? कौन से कॉलेज से हो?
विवेकानंद कॉलेज।
So आप यहाँ क्यों आए हो?
यहाँ पे हम अपने भारत के लिए आए हैं, मतलब आज़ादी के लिए आए हैं ताकि हमारा भारत स्वतंत्र हो।
अच्छा, तो आपको रामजस कॉलेज के बारे में पता है जो हुआ रामजस?
नहीं।
Thank you. As you can see, there are students who have come here, but some of them exactly do not know what happened at Ramjas College, against which this entire protest has been organized. As you can see, it is now they've reached the arts faculty where they will be gathering at Vivekananda statue and talking about why this entire march has been organized. So I have my colleague Hina Kausar with me and she'll be talking about the protest further.
Hello everyone, for those of you who have just joined us, we are going live from Delhi University, where Delhi University Students Union and ABVP are taking out a march against the violence that happened outside Ramjas. The march is also against the alleged anti-national activities which the ABVP and DUSU claims is happening in Delhi University. They say they are against any anti-national activity and slogans being raised in Delhi University. Let's try and speak to some students who are present with us here. हेलो मैम, आप कहाँ से आई हो और किस प्रोटेस्ट?
मैं मंडावली से आई हुई हूँ। मेरे यहाँ बच्चे स्कूल कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं। मैं ये प्रोटेस्ट अपने बच्चों के साथ करने आई हूँ।
So there's a woman who has come from Mandavali. She says that she has her own kids who study in Delhi University, and she's here to protest against the activities that have happened in the university. She says she's with her students who are studying in Delhi University. We have almost reached arts faculty. There's a group of students right in front of us. Some students have already entered the arts faculty. There's a huge police presence here, which is here to control any possible wrong thing that can happen. The police is here to control the crowd. There are a lot of students here from different colleges, from outside colleges. Let's try and speak to some more students. Sir, आप कहाँ से आए हैं और आज आपका मुद्दा क्या है?
हमारे सत्यवती कॉलेज से हमारे मुद्दा है कि जो भी पुराने हमारे जो आइसा के जिन्होंने देश विरोधी नारे रखे उसके खिलाफ हम तिरंगा मार्च करना चाहते हैं और हम दिखाना चाहते हैं कि हम बहुत इतनी संख्या में है कि सब जो भी देश विरोधी नारे हो रहे हैं उन सबको हम खत्म करना चाहते हैं।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। So we are almost outside arts faculty. There's a huge crowd that's coming in, walking in towards the arts faculty. We are outside the arts faculty gate. We have students from ABVP and DUSU. Let's talk to some students. मैम, आप कौन से कॉलेज से आपका मुद्दा क्या है?
फैकल्टी ऑफ लॉ।
जी, आप यहाँ पे आज किस मुद्दे को लेकर आए हैं?
हम यहाँ पर आज इस मुद्दे को लेके आए हैं कि जो हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में हो रहा है ये बिल्कुल गलत है। बाहर से लोग आके अपने मुद्दे हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पर इलेक्शंस के लिए अपना वोट बैंक क्रिएट किया जा रहा है लोगों को फॉल्स चीजें बताकर। इलेक्शंस अब ज्यादा दूर नहीं है, प्लीज आप बात समझिए। न्यूट्रल स्टूडेंट्स को मेरा ये मैसेज है कि आप उनके पॉलिटिकल गेम्स में ना फंसे। ये बस एक अपना वोट बैंक इंक्रीज करने की तरकीब है और ये लोग कुछ नहीं चाहते हैं। ये जो वायलेंस वगैरह हमारे ऊपर मुद्दे उठा रहे हैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बस अपना वोट बैंक इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं। हमारी एक यूनिवर्सिटी थी जो JNU नहीं है, हमारी दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी है। यहाँ पर हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी को उसका पूरा नाम किया जा रहा है, डिमीन किया जा रहा है। तो हमारे पास आज का यही मुद्दा है कि प्लीज अपना नक्सलवाद वगैरह पॉलिटिक्स बाहर छोड़ो, हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी की फ्री एनवायरनमेंट को खराब मत करो।
So students say they don't want any politics in the university. They say that the left should not indulge in dirty politics in the university. They are here to save their university. Let's try and speak to. There's another group of students. We will try and speak to them. We have almost reached arts faculty, where students. You can see that there is a flag up which students have held 2 days ago as well. Students had held a Tiranga march in the campus. We have with us some students. Sir, आप कौन से कॉलेज से हैं?
हाँ जी, श्री वेंकटेश्वर कॉलेज से। मैं आज इसलिए आया हूँ कि ये जो फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच के नाम पे देश को जो तोड़ने की बातें की जा रही है, इसके खिलाफ हमारे नाम बता दो प्रोटेस्ट है। शौर्य।
थैंक यू सो मच शौर्य सर। आप लोग कौन से कॉलेज से? So slogans of Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Vande Mataram are raising in this college. You can see there's a flag. There's a really large flag which students have held. A few days ago there was a Tiranga march as well in the campus. Students say that they want to reclaim the university. They want the university to be peaceful. And we right now in front, one of the student leaders is making a speech. Students have reached arts faculty. There are a huge number of students, ABVP members, there are students from Delhi University Students Union, there are leaders from DUSU and ABVP. We will try and get inside where the speeches are being made.